Keep calm and protect those knees. Expert tips and products for baby knee safety. We will discuss it in 3 parts. Here is the part 1: the importance of baby knee safety. Welcome to our YouTube video, where we will be sharing expert tips and product recommendations for keeping your baby's knees safe and protected. As smart new parents, you understand the importance of ensuring your baby's health and well-being, and that includes safeguarding their precious knees during crawling and exploring. Join us as we dive into essential tips, practical advice, and innovative products that will help you navigate the world of baby knee safety with confidence. During the early stages of crawling and exploring, a baby's knees are exposed to a significant amount of pressure and friction. Their delicate joints and soft skin make them susceptible to injuries and discomfort. Understanding the vulnerability of baby knees is crucial for ensuring their safety and well-being. Without proper protection, baby knees are prone to scrapes, bruises, and even more serious injuries. The impact of these injuries can extend beyond the immediate discomfort, potentially affecting a baby's mobility and overall development. As smart new parents, it's important to recognize the potential risks and take proactive measures to prevent them. Knee injuries in infancy can have long-term consequences. They may hinder a baby's ability to crawl, explore, and develop important motor skills. The discomfort caused by injuries can discourage babies from engaging in physical activities, which are crucial for their overall growth. By prioritizing baby knee safety, we can help promote their healthy development and mobility. Crawling is an essential milestone in a baby's development. It helps strengthen their muscles, improve coordination, and foster cognitive and sensory development. By protecting their knees and ensuring a positive crawling experience, we can support their physical and cognitive growth. Alongside knee protection, creating a safe and supportive environment is key. Baby-proofing your home and eliminating potential hazards will minimize the risk of knee injuries. By creating a space that encourages exploration and provides a secure foundation for their crawling adventures, you can contribute to their overall safety and well-being. This section has covered the sensitivity of a baby's knees, injury risks, long-term effects on growth and mobility, and the significance of fostering a safe and encouraging environment. Understanding these elements will help us approach baby knee safety with the proper knowledge and take proactive steps to safeguard our infants as they crawl and explore the world around them. Note: the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only. Always consult your healthcare professional or pediatrician for personalized advice and recommendations for your baby's health and safety.